continue working on the 5B project on Section A, question approval. I've answered these 2 questions, and I went ahead and put in my survey question. My survey question, which y'all can't use, is do you prefer dogs or cats? And then those are the 4 answer options. And as you can see, the teacher approved my question. So that means I can move on. Once it's approved, I'm going to go ahead and post the collaboration link. So to do this, I'm going to start with these directions. So I'm going to click the link to get to this template. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and show y'all the directions on the side. So from here, it says click duplicate. I'm going to duplicate it. Sometimes this takes a second. And then while it's doing that, and it may ask you to log in here, and that's okay. Now it says add your question topic. So my question is about dogs or cats. So here I'm just going to write dogs versus cats. Doesn't really need to be that complicated. And then add your question. So I'm going to put in my question here. Do you prefer dogs or cats? Just copy and paste. And then you can see that instead of yes, I'm going to write dogs, cats, both or neither. Perfect. All right. There we go. Yeah, it looks nice and neat. All right, from here, what I would do is I would say got it, and then I would click share. All right, so I added my question and my topic. I click share, and I'm gonna hit get a link to view and edit. That's the bottom one here. All right, I'm gonna copy it, and that's what I would put right here. Okay, and that's the answer for question number 4. Now, scrolling down, it asks for a different link here. So question number 5, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click shorten URL. I'm actually going to copy this first link, and that's going to go right here. All right. And now this link right here is what I could send to any family or friends or anyone else I wanted to answer the survey. So for instance, if I was going to go over here, I could go into my chat and say, well, let's see if Teams decides to cooperate. There we go. I could say, hi, Mr. Ortiz, could you answer this survey question for my math class? And then I just paste the link. So I'm going to go ahead. You can either right click and paste or Control V. And then I'd click send. And it would give him that link right there. And what that link looks like for him is something like this. So then he could just answer the question. Okay? All right. And then you're going to have at least 15 people answer your survey. Okay? So let's say I answer this and I say I like both. All right? Now I'm going to go over here and I can look at responses, and I need 15 responses. Okay? So once 15 people answer, I would click yes. And that's how you do Section A.